I'm down here in Fountain today at a really great house on Willowdale, 7366. Good story. I sold this house to the couple that lives in it now 2 years ago. It was a beautiful house then, and all they've done since then is do nice upgrades. There's all new carpet. The kitchen's amazing. They put in a nice wet bar. It's a great neighborhood. It's 4 bedrooms, 3 baths. It's a quiet area, and it's all going for less than $500,000. It's just a great opportunity for a family. I really hope you come down to Willowdale down in Fountain and take a look. It's a great house. Thanks so much.